How to repost posts and reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now to repost a post, below the post you'll find two arrow icon. Click on it and the post will be reposted. Now to post a reel, open reel and on the right side you'll find same icon. Click on it and it will be reposted. Now to see the reposted post and reels, go to your profile at the bottom right. Here, you'll find same icon. Click on it, you'll find all your reposts. And this is how to repost posts and reels on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.